I grew up in Michigan myself. I'm born and raised in Kalamazoo, Michigan. So I have a strong passion about being from Michigan and connecting with patients from all over the state and really all over the Midwest. What I find is a lot of times people have not had a great understanding of what's going on, whether we're talking about cancer or some other diagnosis. And so we really try and do a little bit of education 101 about what's going on. And usually that, I think, helps make people more comfortable and at ease in the whole process. So what I find special about our team here within thoracic surgery is that we have one of the best surgical teams, I think, in the whole country. They really care about helping our patients get better. They care about our patients in terms of our patients' comfort as well as trying to make things efficient. Our goal is really to make it patient-centered in our approach, and we are really one of the top institutions in the United States and in the world for offering complex care for cancer and for any diagnosis, really. And so there really isn't anything that we cannot take care of here.